In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Geometry Node's Transform Geometry node to create this animation. This base mesh was a teapot. If you don't see this menu item, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. I went to Edit mode, extruded the faces individually, and scaled the faces individually like this. Here is a basic setup. This is how I use the Transform Geometry node, but what if I want to change the translation and rotation with one value node? Then I would use a vector node like this. I can create an interesting mesh shape like this, but what if I want to rotate what was changed so far? What if I wanted to rotate this mesh on the z-axis only? All we need to do is adding another Transform Geometry node. By using this setup, we can rotate or scale the initial mesh by using one value, and separately transform them on the second node. This animation was done by keyframing the frame 1 and 100 with the value of 1, and keyframing the frame 50 with the value of 5. This is a 100 frame long animation. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.